Hello, Jeff Martin with Shaler Acura Manchester here. I want to take a minute to show you my favorite feature in the MDX Type S, besides the massaging front seats, which are exclusive to the Type S, but this feature happens to be in all trim levels of the vehicle. So I'm going to show you how you remove the center seat in the second row to make your seven-seater a six-seater. All right, here we are in the MDX, and I'm going to show you how we get the second row's middle seat out and again turn your seven-seater into a six-seater. So you start by taking the seat belt, and on the seat belt base, on the receiving end of where it plugs into, you'll find a little slot that this piece, the buckle, actually pops right into. And now you can take this and put it up into the ceiling that has this little convenient holder to keep it in place. And what you do from there, pull this nylon strap that's on the passenger side of the center seat. It's going to fold down, and this is also how you recline this seat down. So if you want a center console, then you're able to have it as a center console. Now take it out. You pull an additional nylon strap here and rock it forward. You have this little handle here you can lift from, and out it comes. And you'll find there are these little hooks down on the bottom that correspond with the hooks on the bottom of the seat. So when you go to put it back together, you basically do the whole thing in reverse. Rock it forward. Make sure to get in place proper. And plunk. And there's this little indicator down here. You'll know if it is in place properly because it'll be black. So if you pull on it, you'll see it's red. If it's not properly situated, it also stays red. But in this case, we can tell that it has been latched into place properly and you're not going anywhere. Pull that again to unrecline the seat.